question on the board that says, Shalom Kavod Alav. I wonder if one is allowed to shine silver cutlery on Shabbos.
Shine silver cutlery. I think it would be probably Maki Bepatish. So the Maki Bepatish is a prohibition. It's the translation is striking the last blow of the hammer when you complete the product. So and this shining the silver on Shabbos, it would be like this, yes. And plus you have a paste, even though it was not applied. 1 second, let me think. This is a paste because it's not pliable material, this silver. But at least this one. So and plus I would say it's a weekday activity. That's another prohibition. Weekday activity which is not appropriate for Shabbos. And it's a very good question.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome. So, but basically, this Maki Bepat is when you improve something. When you improve, and now it's perfect. Before that, it was not perfect, but now whatever you did, and it's perfect. Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So our friend that asked the question about shining silver cutlery in Shabbos also asks, think about does it apply to silver Kiddush cup too?
Yes,
can we shine silver Kiddush cup as they're using it on Friday night?
No, Friday night. So Friday night, when Shabbos starts, it's Shabbos. Doesn't matter. What is it? Night before we do it before. So yeah. So this Maki Bipadish, we never learned about it, but it's actually we did not only one person from this group was there. So when you complete the utensil, so example would be you have a broom and you have a broomstick, right? So you usually have to screw in the stick to the broom head. So it would not be allowed to do that, right? Because until now it was useless utensil. Now whatever you did, it become useful, right? Or like something like I don't know, person draw like I don't know, like put some decoration on some utensil. So now it is complete. Or they wrote a price, how much they price them. They put a sticker, whatever they did. So now it's complete utensil. So same as a Kiddush cup. Before that, it was very unattractive. And for example, a person has a guest over, and he or she would be embarrassed to show such a Kiddush cup, right? So of course, so for them, it's Maki Bepatish. That's completion of the act. Yes. Okay.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.